Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Robin Elliott, better known as Caymanspyder, and today I am going to be showing you three brand new products that fit the 2015 to 2021 Ford F-150, Ford F-250, and Ford F-350. These are all three different ones, and they kind of serve different purposes and everything. So let's start with the one over here. This is I believe a 12.1 inch screen, and this one here you will get to keep your factory control, your climate controls here. So this does come with the other one. So if you have your seat, your automatic climate control, it does come with a plate that fits that. So it comes with two different plates. So these are all Sync 3 models. They do come in Sync 1, Sync 2, and Sync 3. So when you purchase this, you need to take a picture of your current unit and your current setup with it on, so I could tell which Sync model it is, and also you know, your climate control and which one you'll need. So these particular ones here are all Sync 3 models. So this is a 12.1 inch Sync 3, and these are all all three of these are 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte units. They're all running Snapdragon processors. They're all very, very high spec units. Very, very impressive. Now I only sell the 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte models because when you do the 464s, you tend to lag, especially when you're running Apple CarPlay and stuff. These all have, all three of these have wireless Apple CarPlay, and they also have wireless Android Auto. So, but the really unique system for this, you get to keep your Sync 3 system 100%. So these are two systems in one. So you piggyback, you mount the Sync 3 system on it, just simply connect it with the wire here and a few other connections, and it's all plug and play. It's very simple. Everything's retained. So your factory GPS is your navigation's gonna be retained, your XM radio, your regular radio, everything. And plus, in addition to that, you'll have wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. And also you get, you could be running Waze, you could be running Google Maps, you could run split screens, you could have a video going here, you could have live weather going here, whatever you want. And I'm going to demonstrate all that once I get one of these in my truck, and I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you all the features and stuff that these things do. So this one here, if you're looking to retain your factory CD player, this is going to be the one to go with. The rest of these eliminate the CD player. This one's going to retain it, so you'll retain your factory CD player and have access to it. So this model right here, the 12.1 inch, this is going to be the one that's going to retain the factory CD player. So if you're looking for a really, really clean look, this model right here, this is also a Sync 3 version, 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte. This one here, the controls, all the climate controls are all digital touch, so they'll appear on the bottom of the screen here. And this is just a really, really clean look. This is also a 2K screen, so it's a very, very sharp, high-res screen. So this is for the guys that are wanting to have, I mean, a very, very clean, slick look. This comes right up to the factory top. So does this one here. This one comes, it just fits absolutely perfectly. And then what happens is you take your, I have a video, I have installation videos on all these. So when you buy this, I will send you an installation video. I will be personally doing an installation video on one of these too. But your controller for your AC goes in here. It kind of folds in two. There's some mounting points in here. It mounts securely, and then you have a plug in here and plug in here, and you just simply plug your factory connections in right here. So that's what this box is here. It goes into your dash. Like I say, very, very clean install. This one right here, this is the biggest one. This is the 14.4 inch. This is going to be a 2K screen also. This is going to be the one that I'm going to be installing into my truck. So I'll be having a video. These are both gloss black. This is more of the factory black right here. The buttons are on the top here. So some of you only have 2 buttons, some have 3. There are filler plugs and everything where you get to put what you want up here. Your factory ones, you can put your factory ones in here. And I believe the same thing here. You could swap out some of your factory ones, or you could just use the ones that are already right here. So I just wanted to introduce these to you. I have 3 different styles. Like I say, every single one has its own purpose. So if you want to retain your factory CD player, if you want to have a nice, clean, just a clean look without any controls, just all digital controls, this is the one to go with right here. You do have your physical buttons up here, so you still do have your normal physical buttons. And then also, you have your 14.4 inch. This is going to be the largest screen, 2K screen. Now I do have screen protectors on these, so if they don't look right, they do have screen protectors on them. So right now for shipping, and then you peel it off when you install it. So, but this one will retain your AC controls. And like I say, I'll be installing this, and all these retain your factory sync system. It doesn't replace it, it doesn't eliminate it. So if you get a Sync 1 system, basically you're just getting a Android head unit. For the Sync 2 and Sync 3, you're getting dual system units, so you get to piggyback your sync systems. So you'll retain all your Sync 2 and all your Sync 3. So I just wanted to do a quick video on these, introducing all these. These are all on my website at www.elliottmotorsports.biz. I will have links below. If you have any questions, you could email me at Caymanspyder@gmail.com, or leave a comment below, and I will get back with you. So, like I say, this is probably one of the coolest lineups I've ever seen. I think for me, this is going to be the model for me. I like bigger is better. I like the great big giant screen on it. So I will be doing a review on that and installing it, which it looks like a fairly easy job. I'm also going to be adding a TV tuner to this model right here. So I'll be able to watch live digital TV. So I'm going to be installing that and doing a video on that at the exact same time. Now these do, if you have the 360 cams, these retain the 360 cams. Obviously it retains your reverse cam. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I'm missing here, but I don't think so. Like I say, I will have an install video on these and some demo videos, and they will be coming very, very soon. So I'm excited to get this installed and the TV tuner and everything installed. And also I will be adding a small 8-inch kicker subwoofer, so I'll be showing how that connects to these Android head units. They're fairly simple to do. I'm going with the kicker amp sub all-in-one that hides behind the seat or goes under the seat. It's very inconspicuous, so it's going to be pretty neat. So that's all I have right now. If you have any questions, comment below. Shoot me an email. All the links are down below, and you could get a hold of me. All right, thanks so much.